Welcome to the Iowa Department of Transportation's online video for the Iowa 16 bridge replacement over Sugar Creek in Lee County. During the video, we will explain what will happen during the project and how it will affect travelers. We will also provide information on the expected construction schedule. You will also be able to find out how you can give us your questions and comments on the project. The bridge replacement is located on Iowa 16 over Sugar Creek, which is 0.3 miles west of US 218 in Lee County. The current bridge was constructed in 1996 and the deck was overlaid in 2006. This structure is now in need of replacement. During this project, the existing bridge will be removed and replaced. The new bridge will include 8-foot shoulders for improved safety. The existing guardrail will also be replaced. This slide shows a display of the bridge project. You may pause the video to view or go to the Iowa DOT website to view the display. Iowa 16 will be closed to through traffic while the bridge is replaced. Traffic will be detoured using US 218, County Road J40, and W55. Here is the anticipated timing of the project. We are currently working to finish engineering plans and will be working to purchase any necessary right-of-way between now and November 2027. We are targeting construction to begin in January 2028 and anticipate the project to finish by November 2028. The current estimate for the total project is $3.26 million. These are the next steps in the Iowa 16 bridge replacement project. We encourage your questions and comments on this project. The best way is through the online link shown here. Comments may be submitted through email or phone as well. Comments should be received by July 8th. Thank you for taking the time to view this online video.